لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك.
Viewers, now we will perform the ritual of Sa'i of hills of Safa and Marwa. Safa and Marwa are two small hills, and making 7 rounds between them is called Sa'i. It is an important ritual of pilgrimage, and without it, Hajj and Umrah both are incomplete. Holy Prophet ﷺ said in Hadith 447 of Musnad Ahmad, Sa'i has been made obligatory upon you, so do it. When you reach near Safa during Sa'i, say these verses.
Verses to read near Safa.
إن الصفا والمروة من شعائر الله فمن حج البيت أو اعتمر فلا جناح عليه أن يطوف بهما ومن تطوع خيرا فإن الله شاكر عليم.
Translation. Indeed, as Safa and Al-Marwa are among the symbols of Allah, so whoever makes Hajj to the house or performs Umrah, there is no blame upon him for walking between them. And whoever volunteers good, then indeed Allah is appreciative and knowing.